So the life first lesson is to stay humble.
Wow.
That's what I learned from there.
चाहे तुम गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट हो चाहे कुछ भी
कुछ
है,
भी हो,
चाहे दो बार डायरेक्टरशिप पे हैं, 2 बार डीन
कोई
रहे
कुछ नहीं है, आप कुछ नहीं है, आप एक्चुअली कुछ नहीं है. And there are so many people who are much more better than you. The only way that you can move ahead is with others. You cannot move ahead alone.
तो वीकनेस सर नीचे पुल करती है ना कभी कभी.
वीकनेस कहाँ है?
है ही नहीं.
आप अहमदाबाद में वीकनेस खत्म हो गई.
अरे
आपने इतनी मेहनत कर दी, वीकनेस नहीं है. वीकनेस है तो सीखिए.
हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑन बोर्ड. मैं लाइफ में काफी बड़े बड़े आदमियों को मिला हूँ, बहुत बड़े शख्सियतों को मिला हूँ, और उनमें से आज मेरे सामने बैठे सुबीर वर्मा सर. हाय सर, वेलकम ऑन बोर्ड. सर की हिस्ट्री अगर मैं सुनाऊंगा, सर इफ आई एम राइट, आई एम रांची के फाउंडिंग डीन आप हैं.
जी सर.
मतलब वो पंजाबी में बोलते हैं नी पत्थर रखना. सो वही द पार्ट ऑफ द एंटायर और द एकेडमिक साइड.
पत्थर रखा है, नींव के बारे नहीं पता.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है. सो अमेजिंग. Sir has been a director of 2 institutions, Nirma and 4. Both of them are top schools. And 2 deans. एक तो IMI Delhi के भी डीन रह चुके हैं.
जी हाँ.
And also IIM Ranchi के भी डीन.
Yes.
This is so amazing. Sir खुद comes from IIM Ahmedabad. He's done a PhD and he was also gold medalist. Sir, when was the gold medal? Undergraduate?
At the postgraduate level from Delhi University.
From Delhi University, the post. Wow, this is so amazing. आज हम life journey सुनेंगे सर की. What are the quick learnings he had in his life? Sir, you must have met some great people on the way.
Absolutely.
Sir has got a gang of friends in which I am also slight छोटा सा part of. Bhimrai Maitri साहब, Pawan Kumar Singh, MD Gurgaon,
Mahadev
Jaiswal, I am Sambalpur, and one more. Who else is there? MD
Even Debashish Chatterjee,
Debashish Chatterjee,
Rishikesh
Krishnan. I am Bangalore. Bhaskar sir, I am Ahmedabad, and sir is a gang of friends with all of
and
these people.
Himanshu Rai from IIM Indore.
And Himanshu Rai sir, I've never met him sir.
He was my junior at IIM Ahmedabad.
He was my senior at NIT Surathkal.
Well, great. So that's the reason why we have got along so well.
But I have to meet. Sir, he was my super duper senior. I've never met him. Great. So ये जितने हमने बड़े बड़े नाम लिए, sir is in the gang of all friends, all these friends. Sir, let's begin. Sir, I'm Ahmedabad. Which year was that, sir?
This was in the year 1996.
Yeah, he is an intelligent guy. मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ क्यों. Sir ने summer internship उस time पे TAS में की थी, right sir?
Yeah, yes.
Tata Administrative Services, जो कि B internship मानी जाती है आज की rate में भी.
In fact, that was the highest paying company for summer internship at IIM Ahmedabad then.
Wow.
And they selected only 8%. One of them was yours.
क्या बात है sir.
It was a great experience.
Super sir.
With Tata Administrative Services.
Wow sir, wow.
And the kind of attention that they give to you is amazing, out of this world.
Sir, I come from GE. We have a similar thing called a leadership program.
Yes.
Where you are the blue-eyed boys of the whole thing.
Yes.
I've lived their life for 2 years, so इनसे ना पूरा attention तुम्हारा. ये TAS वाले हैं, है ना? ये TAS वाले. Great sir. Sir, how was life at Ahmedabad? क्या सीखा सर वहाँ पे?
Well, MDI जो IIM Ahmedabad गए, I can speak in Hindi if that's perfectly fine with you.
I am okay sir, as long as you are okay, of course.
Look, I was a student of political science. I studied and taught political science for almost like 10 years. 6 years while I taught, and 4 years I got myself, 5 years I got myself educated. Now, from a person who has a political science background to get into IIM Ahmedabad, it itself required a great amount of, I would say, courage, luck, and maybe a bit of intelligence.
Yeah.
Well, I'm trying to be modest, but the fact is, I went to Ahmedabad, and the cat cut off at that point in time for whether for a PhD program or for an MBA program used to be similar. So it used to be 99 plus percentile. And I can share my experience because this is an experience that a lot of students can relate to. You come from a discipline in which maths you were not taught. So the time you left school. And I left school when I joined IIM Ahmedabad in 96. It was almost like 19 years after I left my school.
Wow.
I had no grounding in mathematics. I had grounding in arithmetic. But probably maths was in my genes. My father was a professor, a university professor in mathematics.
Okay.
So maybe I didn't felt any time nervous.
It rubbed on you.
Yes, it rubbed on me. I can say that. At times genes help, DNA helps.
Yeah.
But the fact of the matter is, I come to IIM Ahmedabad with the thought that I'm a gold medalist. And the very first few months, you are told that you are not good enough. in no uncertain terms.
Welcome to
The
Ahmedabad.
uncertain terms means that every time you enter the class, you feel that you just arrived at the wrong place.
Really?
Yes, and but the interesting thing about IIM Ahmedabad was not about what they taught, but about the way the students worked and learned. I was extremely fortunate that I had a group of people, all IITians, and some of them are founders of companies like Fractal Analytics. Others are CEO. In fact, one of them was MD of Microsoft India.
What? Your
Yes,
batchmate?
my batchmates.
Oh, nice.
So, and they were also my group mates.
Wow.
So, and I'm Ahmedabad, you don't have a project group. It was not a project team.
Okay.
Whenever the project was signed, it was a learning group. And all these students, after the project would get over, the discussion would get over, they would sit with me and say, Prof, that was my nickname over there.
Okay.
Prof, तेरे को मैं ये calculus सिखाता हूँ,
हाँ.
कोई derivative सिखा रहा. The people went out of their way to help me.
Nice.
The good thing was, it's almost like, in a way, it was a team in which people came with complementarity skills. My skill set was in terms of imagining, my skill set was in terms of writing, and my skill set was in terms of all theory.
Yeah.
Anything related with concept, I was boom.
Right.
Anything related with numbers, they were absolutely out of this world. They were magical. And I had that good fortune learning from them. So the life first lesson is to stay humble.
Wow.
And that's what I learned from there.
चाहे तुम गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट हो चाहे कुछ भी है,
कुछ भी हो,
चाहे दो बार डायरेक्टरशिप पे हैं, 2 बार डीन
कोई कुछ नहीं है, आप कुछ नहीं है, आप actually कुछ नहीं है. And there are so many people who are much more better than you. The only way that you can move ahead is with others. You cannot move ahead alone. That was my first lesson. In fact, you will not understand the amount of work that was given and the kind of dedication that we had during our time at IIM Ahmedabad. I remember my group mates called me at around 10 o'clock in the evening and said, Prof, chalo group meeting of Aja. And my wife, we stayed in a married accommodation. So my wife was serving our dinner. I said, रुक जाओ, मैं आता हूँ, 5 मिनट में आ जाऊँगा, फिर आराम से बैठ के खाएंगे. You won't believe it, I came next day morning at 5 o'clock. Slogging right through the night on that project.
Wow.
Now, that was the kind of work, and that's the way we saw ourselves.
True.
And it was not like fun and party once you go there. It was just that there were so many divergent point of view that used to come on the project, that you saw the project from so many perspectives, and you were never very sure as to which perspective is the best unless until you discuss and arrive at a consensus.
True that. So you need discussions for sure.
You need discussion.
And when you're smart, you don't want to give it away. कि हाँ चल तूने बोला ठीक है लगा.
Yeah, no, it's not like that. Everybody had a point of view. Everybody was a gold medalist.
Yeah.
So they all carried that thing, boss, मैं गलत नहीं हो सकता.
Superb. Superb.
So it was a magical moment, and I remember the first 2 years, it was fantastic. Then I had the great fortune of being taught by a person whom I call the finest organizational theorist in India at that point in time. He still is. He at that point in time was also the director of IIM Ahmedabad. I'm talking about Professor Pradeep Khandwala.
Okay.
And he asked me, Subir, what do you want to do your PhD on? And I gave him some hanky-panky kind of stuff. He said, what nonsense. Why don't you work on your strength? So instead of making me work on his strength or work on some other strength, he said, Subir, the greatest thing that you can do is work on your strength and hone it and become the best in India.
Nice.
Life lesson number 2, work on your strengths.
Nice. पर weakness सर नीचे pull करती है ना कभी-कभी.
Weakness कहाँ है?
है ही नहीं.
आप IIM Ahmedabad में weakness खत्म हो गई.
अरे.
आपने इतनी मेहनत कर दी, weaknesses नहीं है. Weakness है तो सीखिए.
हाँ.
Weakness पालना नहीं है. वीकनेस को हटाना है, और वो मेहनत करे बिना वो आप वीकनेस हटा नहीं सकते.
मेहनत सब कुछ, नो डाउट.
आप मेहनत कीजिए, वीकनेस हटाइए और अपने स्ट्रेंथ को बिल्ड कीजिए. दैट इज द ओनली रूट टू सक्सेस. एंड ही वाज द पर्सन हु यूज्ड टू टॉक अबाउट एक्सेलेंस. एंड ही सेड, Subir, if you want to be excellent in whatever you do, build on your strength, remove your weaknesses, build on your strength, and you'll arrive at a place.
Superb.
So I had a great fortune of I would say learning actual organizational behavior and management under his feet. I mean, he was a great man, and there would be days on which he would invite me home, and his wife would invite me home. Subir, तुम्हारे रसगुल्ला आया है, तुम आ जाओ.
वाह.
तो मैं जाता था उनके पास, और फिर या कोई आइसक्रीम आता था, Gujarat is a place where good ice creams are served,
yeah.
So आइसक्रीम आता था, वो बुलाते थे हमें। तो जब तक आंटी जो है आइसक्रीम निकाले और खिलाए, या जब तक सर हमको मैडम जो है हमें रसगुल्ला खिलाए, तब तक सर जो है आराम से ज्ञान देते थे। एंड बिलीव मी, आई हैव द डे whatever he's taught me is there over here. I've not forgotten a single line or single phrase that he has taught me. Even now when I teach in the class, I repeat him verbatim.
What
That
is
was
it, sir?
the-
I would hear one of those.
I mean, he used to talk about finest words. Whenever you differentiate, you must learn to integrate. If you look at structure, that's the bottom line of structure. The second thing, an if and then relationship. If circumstances is like this, then your decision should be like this. Your strategies should be like this. Your structure should be like this. So life is about if and then relationship. And third thing that he taught me was, for every effect there is a causation, but that cause and effect relationship varies in a given context.
Right.
Beautiful way of teaching us research. I was so lucky to have it.
So they all look like very engineering or science-based research.
Yeah.
Cause and effect, environmental factors.
That's what environmental research is all about.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's very scientific.
Yeah, it's like this, something like this, like this. Like if you want to reduce weight, there are two options.
Yeah.
You can diet or you can exercise.
Yeah.
But what happens if you combine?
Damage.
So you say exercising or dieting under the conditions of exercise leads to a greater weight loss than otherwise.
True that.
Just created a hypothesis for you to
Lovely.
research on.
Lovely. Well said, sir. Well said.
So I think this is how every management problem can be visualized.
Great. Sir,
Any problem.
Understood. Sir, Ahmedabad done. आगे बढ़ चुके अभी हम.
आगे बढ़े हम तो
MDA हुआ बीच
then I
में.
came to MDI Gurgaon.
MDA गुड़गांव हुआ.
And when I got into MDI Gurgaon, उसके थोड़े देर बाद I got a job offer from XLRI and also from IIM Indore.
अच्छा.
I rejected both of them.
Okay.
MDI Gurgaon was on the up. Apart from that, it was in Delhi, Gurgaon. I had all along stayed in Delhi, and my social psychological system was here.
Oh, okay.
So I chose all of that over IIM Indore. I used to go to IIM Indore as a visiting faculty.
Okay.
XLRI made some wonderful friends, but I'm from Bihar, so I didn't want to go back to Bihar. I thought my daughter should be educated over here.
Yeah.
And I think I took a good decision, a good call. And MDI actually was a wonderful place.
Sir, but
wonderful
Excel है sir.
Huh?
Excel है.
Excel है. But Excel से HR में Excel है.
ये
बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट में नहीं है.
वो तो सर लेट शुरू तो नया प्रोग्राम है इसका.
दूसरी बात, जब IIM अहमदाबाद में हम पढ़ रहे थे
जी,
तो हमारे डायरेक्टर साहब जो प्रदीप खानवाला साहब जो थे, उस हमसे पूछते थे तुम क्या बनना चाहते हो? हम बोले सर डायरेक्टर बनना चाहते हैं.
अरे वाह.
तो XLRI में जाके डायरेक्टर बनना बड़ा मुश्किल था. सारे गवर्नेंस फादर लोग के पास थे.
नहीं बन सकता.
MDI में was a straighter route.
Great.
So I chose this route. And I was lucky. I was selected by Professor Devi Singh, who was the director, who went over and became director at IIM Lucknow.
Okay.
तो उन्होंने मेरा सिलेक्शन किया और उसके एक साल बाद ही डॉक्टर प्रीतम सिंह आ गए. एंड जस्ट टू टेल यू अबाउट डॉक्टर प्रीतम सिंह, आज कम से कम एक समय था जब 18 डायरेक्टर IIM से टॉप 20 स्कूल्स के डायरेक्टर उनके अंदर काम कर चुके थे.
Wow.
So whether it is Bhimrai Maitri at IIM Nagpur or Mahadev Jaiswal at IIM Sambalpur, Himanshu Rai at IIM Indore, Bhaskar sir at IIM Ahmedabad, or Debashish Chatterjee at IIM Kozhikode, or Professor Banerjee at IIM Udaipur, all of us, and Debashish Sanyal at Great Lakes, and earlier was a Narsim Munji, all of us have worked under him.
Wow, I would love to meet this guy, but he's
no more. He's sadly no more.
Sir,
and I think one of the greatest loss, because he is for the first management educator, a serving director who got a Padam Shri from the government of India.
Oh wow! So, by the way, sir, 1 week back exactly, we were sitting with all this gang. Most of these guys were there.
Yes.
And Rishi sir was also there from IIM Bangalore.
From IIM Bangalore.
And over the lunch table, we were all discussing where Mahadev Jaiswal and Pawan Kumar Singh and all, Mr. Preetham Singh. And he was talking about how big the lineage he carried and
So that he was a wonderful man.
yeah.
A Midas Touch director.
You were handling placements that time.
I handled placement for almost. I was there in MDI from 2002 to 2011, and Dr. Devi Singh made me the placement coordinator in the year 2003.
Okay.
And I remember at that point in time, the best company that used to come down to the campus was DCM Shriram with a salary of around 2.5.
Okay.
By the time I left that place in 2011, we had McKinsey who was trying to offer around 20 lakhs, and we were still saying no. And we used to say, well, if McKinsey Consulting comes, we are okay with that. If the McKinsey Knowledge Center comes, we are not okay with that.
Which year was that?
I think this was 2010, 2009 or 10.
2000, yeah, 2010. McKinsey were like, McKinsey
and they were trying to expand and trying to get people into Knowledge Center.
Nice.
So I had a huge amount of conversation with them. And MDI really went from strength to strength.
Yeah.
One was the amount of effort the student made and the amount of effort the faculty would make. You see, faculty is a very important variable in students' academic journey.
True.
In MDI, they went one step further. It was not only an important variable in the academic journey, but also in the career progression. So the placement was not an effort of one person.
Yeah.
The entire team would get mobilized to place the student. It was like this, that we have to fulfill the promise that we have given to the students and the parents.
Yeah, sir. And I feel, sir, good kids in, good kids out. You know, and the good kids, तो excitement भी ज़्यादा होती है.
हाँ.
यार ये पढ़ रहा है, फैकल्टी को कितना मजा आता है यार. मैंने इसको कल बोला पढ़ के वो पढ़ के आया.
अब पढ़ते थे स्टूडेंट.
पढ़ते भी थे.
आज के स्टूडेंट देखते हैं, उस जमाने में स्टूडेंट पढ़ा करते थे. और मेरा आज भी बिलीफ है, ये सारे बच्चे अगर आपको देख रहे हैं, कि बेटे देखो, हर चीज का टाइम होता है, देखने का भी टाइम होता है. You should always evaluate the time that you are spending outside the class. Is it better than the time that you are spending inside the class? If it is, then do something like that. But if the time that you're spending in the class is better than anything that you can do outside, or you're doing outside along with the time that you're spending sitting in front of your teacher, then pay attention to that teacher. कुछ ना कुछ टीचर कभी ना कभी अच्छी बात ऐसा बोल देता है जो तुम्हारी सारी जिंदगी में साथ रहेगा. और विश्वास कीजिए सर, मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आपके जनरेशन के बच्चे जो हैं, ये इनके साथ ये लास्ट एजुकेशन होगा, फिर ये नौकरी में जाएंगे.
जी जी जी.
3-4 साल बाद इनको फिर से MBA करने की भूख सवार होगी, तो वह बाहर जाएंगे. बट कई लोग के लिए ये लास्ट
होगा. राइट.
व्हाई डोंट यू मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ इट?
सर मेरे लिए एक बहुत बड़ी लर्निंग थी, बड़ी बेसिक लर्निंग थी. जब क्लास में बैठ ही गए हो तो सुन लो, नहीं तो बाहर बैठो. ना तुम अंदर के हो और ना तुम बाहर के हो. क्लास में आके भी सर व्हाट्सएप ही चल रहा है, अंदर बैठे हो तो फायदा क्या है यार, इसलिए बाहर रहो.
And I always believe, I mean, you take example of any great person. People give example of Bill Gates, कि भाई वो ड्रॉप आउट था. भाई बिल गेट्स तो MBA क्लास में तुम तो घुस गए ना यार. तुम भी ड्रॉप आउट कर लो. And if you have the guts to take so much of risk, go create Microsoft. बट जब तुम मैनेजर बनना चाहते हो, तो मैनेजर का पहला चीज कम से कम चीजों को जानो. जी. Develop your cognitive abilities and then you develop that entrepreneurial ability. तो ये MDI में ये काफी बड़ा लर्निंग ये रहा, and we had some very good time. Then Ranchi happened. I am
Ranchi, sir. I'm very excited to know. तो आप थे और आपके गैंग ऑफ फ्रेंड्स में कौन थे उस टाइम? Who were the जो नी पत्थर रख रहे थे चलो उस समय?
In fact, there was a time when MDI got into a little bit of governance problem.
It always is. Sorry.
Yeah. No, I think with the new director over there,
Mr. Sai.
Professor Sai is a very nice person.
Yeah,
and I'm sure MDI will once again see an upturn in his fortune.
आपके वहीं से आए सर वो?
I'm Ahmedabad के आए हैं.
I've never met him. I've heard good stuff about him.
He is a fantastic human.
He's the chairperson of IIM Ahmedabad marketing department.
Yes, and he's got the neurobehavioral science library. Laboratory, which I think is fantastic. A very innovative person.
Yeah.
And MDI today, I can say for sure, is in good hands.
Wow, nice. Sir.
And I'm so happy that at the time when MDI was building up, I was a part of it. So the time when it got into, that was the time when it got into governance problem. And so a lot of us who were at the associate professor level, we felt stagnated. That was when IIM Ranchi happened, and I got an offer from there to become the dean and the professor. So I became the dean and professor over there. Totally greenfield, no building of yours. We used to operate out of Suchna Bhavan, and we would look at this classroom and say, अच्छा यहाँ पे ये कर सकते हैं, वो कर सकते हैं. Then the problem is the students को कहाँ रखेंगे? Then we tied up with खेलगांव मार्ग, खेलगांव. उस वक्त वहाँ पर नेशनल गेम्स हुए थे.
Right.
तो खेलगांव में काफी बिल्डिंग खाली पड़ी हुई थी, जिसको हम लोगों ने ले लिया और वहाँ पर स्टूडेंट को रखने लगे. And we would have bus would that was around 15 kilometers away. That would come in the morning, leave in the evening.
Oh wow.
And that was a circuit. So good times. Students ने भी काफी मेहनत की शुरू में. वहाँ पर भी नए बच्चे आए थे, नया जोश था, हम किसी से कम नहीं. और उस वक्त जो और भी नए आयम्स आए थे रायपुर के और रोहतक के, ये था कि हम लोग ट्रिची के, तो हम लोग को उसके आगे रहना है.
True.
Luckily for IIM Ranchi at that point in time, Professor Xavier was the director. Although we may have fallen out, we fell out, but the fact of the matter, he was a man of a lot of good ideas. But then he also had to leave office. I came to Delhi because of two reasons. One is Professor Pritam Singh became the Director General at IMI.
Oh.
And he said, Subhi, why don't you come back and join us?
अच्छा.
And my daughter had also finished her 12th education. So I thought कि इधर आने में हमारी भलाई है.
Nice.
And so I came back to Delhi, became dean at IMI. But IIM Ranchi, yes, when you start an institution, there's a tremendous amount of enthusiasm.
Yeah.
And the challenges are so much that is there. And we had a fantastic chairman of our board of governors, Mr. R.C. Bhargav,
Okay.
who was the chairman of Maruti. He was there, and he's still there. I mean, such a wonderful person, a great mind, and a great person to learn from in the way he would look at a problem and take decisions.
Nice.
So I think life has been full of learning. IMI Delhi, great experience again. And then I came to 4. From 4, I went to Nirma.
Let's talk about 4, sir. क्या नया कर रहे हैं आप 4 में? कितने साल हो गए सर आपको यहाँ पे?
4 में अभी हमें आए हुए सिर्फ 4 महीने हुए.
अच्छा, नए आए हैं अभी आप?
बिल्कुल ही नए आए हैं.
Welcome to 4, sir.
Yes, sir.
I know the 4 school from 3 years now. पर आप भी यहीं पे थे. IMI is also next door, right?
I was in IMI. I worked as a professor in 4 for 5 years.
You've come in before. Oh.
ठीक है, 5 साल हम यहाँ IMI छोड़ के जो Pritam Singh left.
Knew this gang, the gang here, Sangamitra ma'am and all.
Yeah. I worked with them.
अच्छा, oh, okay.
I've also chaired the program and was also chaired the accreditation team over here.
सर आपको मिलेंगे, मुझे लग रहा है एक प्रोफेसर के साथ कोई पंगा नहीं लेने का. हर प्रोफेसर हर दूसरे प्रोफेसर को जानता होता है, एंड हर डायरेक्टर एक बिजनेस स्कूल के दूसरे बिजनेस स्कूल के डायरेक्टर को भी जानता होता है.
बिल्कुल, ये बात तो आज के दिन हम लोग सबके बारे सही है. एक ढंग से हम लोग सबको एक दूसरे को जानते हैं.
It's a very
चाहे वो डीपी गोयल वहां पर हो, शिलोंग में हो, हम लोग भी ऑल नो ईच अदर. ये बलूनी साहब हो, भी ऑल कहीं ना कहीं हम लोग काम किए हैं साथ में.
Baloni is also one of my favorites.
Yeah.
I met him first time abhi last week. Amazing guy.
So we have had the good fortune of working with.
Ashikori was in Baloni sir was in IIM Kozhikode before, and abhi Kashipur
director. So it has been a lovely thing, you know. Directors के एक होता है, एक thought होता है, where we also tend to exchange notes. You won't believe it. I'm trying to set up an innovation center over here. I went all the way to IIM Bangalore to meet Dr. Rishikesh Krishna. कि सर यहाँ क्या करें बताइए. And he was so large-hearted. He gave me time and gave me some great ideas. I think that's the advantage of being connected with people.
Incubation center is very good, sir.
Fantastic. They're doing very, very well. And again, he was humble enough to tell me, Subhi, तुम यहाँ आया है, अब तुम अपने आलवा मेटल चला जाओ, अपने IIM Ahmedabad. Incidentally, he's also a fellow from IIM Ahmedabad.
Oh, अच्छा.
Rishikesh Krishna. So the team is the same.
Oh, yeah.
The team is the same.
He's a good guy. I did a 30 minutes podcast with him. And but sir, उनका case study है, sir, what NSRCL is able to do. And they're able to raise funds and give it to the students.
Amazing work.
A से better कर रहे थे वैसे वो.
अब ये कहना मुश्किल है because what Dr. Krishnan told me is Subir A is also doing very well.
Okay.
वो जिस ढंग से कर रहे हैं और हम जिस ढंग से कर रहे हैं उसमें फर्क है.
अच्छा. और was it the alma mater under both of you saying कि यार अपने कॉलेज के बारे में बुरा कहते?
अब ये नहीं कह सकते. But I think he was being very candid. कि सुबीर उनके मॉडल अलग हैं, अहमदाबाद के मॉडल अलग है, हमारे मॉडल अलग है. Like in their B school, in the incubation center, they're looking for entrepreneurs who are already entrepreneurs. They're not looking for people who are tinkering with an idea. IIM Ahmedabad looks at people who are tinkering with an idea.
Oh, ये फर्क.
So They're more or less looking with some entrepreneur who already thought about an idea, has got on a business, and now needs help.
Super.
Whether it's a managerial help or a financial help and or strategic help, that's the kind of thing that they are providing, and they're doing a wonderful job.
Great, sir. Great.
So that has been my journey.
Super.
Ford has been a great place. This is a great place, incidentally. Not because I'm here.
Sir, it's a 40-year-old school, right?
40-year-old. What you see, this is a 40-year-old school. A lot of the students have become CEOs of company.
Yeah.
They're heading a lot of corporates in the world.
4,005 plus alumni.
Yes,
I was reading it somewhere.
more than that. 6,000 now.
6,000 now?
6,000,
Oh, nice.
yes. 6,000 plus alumni, and a lot of them are doing they dot the corporate and the entrepreneurial landscape, and some of them even entered cinema.
Yeah?
Yeah. वो क्या सौम्या टंडन भाभी जो बनी थी
हाँ.
और वो भी यहीं की
So it will not be
कुछ मिस इंडिया भी यहाँ से निकली पता नहीं, मुझे नहीं पता शायद, but somebody of that kind has also covered. So what I'm trying to say that people who have different skill set, they have also been groomed over here. They have honed their skill set, and I think that is what a school should provide.
Sir,
that arena.
बहुत ही मजा आ रहा है आपसे बात करने के लिए सर. बच्चों को कुछ ज्ञान दीजिए. आप गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट से लेके अहमदाबाद से लेके निर्मा, फोर, IIM रांची, IMI, MDI गुड़गांव, सर यू नेम इट, यू बीन देयर. टैस में काम कर चुके हैं. ये तुम्हारे सब सपने हैं ना, जो ड्रीम अहमदाबाद, टैस, ये सब कर चुके हैं सर यहाँ पे. एंड जिनको न्यू IIM भी जाना है, कई लोग सर न्यू IIM जाएंगे, कई लोग मैत्री साहब के साथ पढ़ेंगे, कई लोग फोर आएंगे, कई लोग मेरे कॉलेज SP जिन बॉम्बे जाएंगे. सर इनके लिए एडवाइस दो, एक ब्रह्मास्त्र, ये सर 20-21 ईयर ओल्ड, ताकि ये सफल हो जाए इनकी जिंदगी.
2-3 चीजें हैं. यू हैव टू इवैल्यूएट कि जिस बिजनेस स्कूल को आप चूज कर रहे हैं वो स्कूल कितना पुराना है. देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड लेजिटिमेसी. आज हमको सब जगह प्लेसमेंट में दिक्कत हो रहा है. फोर्स स्कूल मैनेजमेंट लकली दिक्कत नहीं हो रहा है. क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? हमारे बच्चे 40 साल से ही इस कंपनी में लगे हुए हैं. हमें फोन करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. कोई ना कोई आलम अपनी कंपनी को उठाकर ले आता है, यहाँ से बच उठाकर ले आता है. तो जितनी दिक्कतें IIM लखनऊ के हाल में ट्विटर मैंने देखा एक मैसेज, और कई आप लोग के पास भी होगा कि कई जगह आ रहे हैं, वो एक्सपीरियंस हम लोग के पास नहीं है. अगर है तो काफी हद तक म्यूटेड है. तो कई बार स्कूल विद अ लेगेसी काउंट्स बिकॉज आपके सारे एजुकेशन बिकम लेजिटिमेट. सेकेंड, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज दिस. Our school, SP Jain, MDI, as against, let us say, baby IIMs, I'm not decrying them. Take a look at how many of them have, what number is the core faculty. When I use the word core faculty, the core faculty will spend time with you. All of these young kids, 20-21 बरस के जो बच्चे जवान हमारे हैं, they don't only need classroom learning. They need peer-to-peer learning. They also need outside the class mentoring by faculty. जब आपके विजिटिंग फैकल्टी ज्यादा होते हैं, outside the class mentoring नहीं होता है. तो एक कोर फैकल्टी का एक क्रिटिकल मास होना बहुत जरूरी है,
जो हमारे यहाँ पे है,
जो हमारे यहाँ फोर में है. और भी जगह है, हम अकेले फोर नहीं कहेंगे, जो शायद कई न्यू IIMs में नहीं है.
तो whenever you choose a B school, make sure that you find this out कि भाई वहाँ पे फैकल्टी जो है विजिटिंग सारे नहीं होने चाहिए, because you need to spend time outside the classroom, उनसे बातचीत.
बिल्कुल. कई चीजें हैं सर जी, जो हम मार्केटिंग के हमारे प्रोफेसर हुआ करते थे, AK जैन, वो वॉक कर रहे होते थे, उनसे बात करते हुए हम लोग के मार्केटिंग के फंडे सॉल्व होते थे. दैट इज हाउ वी लर्न.
नाइस, आई अंडरस्टैंड. नंबर 1. नंबर 2 सर.
तो ये एक बहुत बड़ा चीज है. सेकेंडली देखिए, हार्डवर्क तो सब लोग बोलेगा, हम भी बोलेंगे हार्डवर्क. रिमेंबर, यू हैव गॉट ओनली वन लाइफ, ओनली वन करियर टू मेक इट बिग. जिस कंपनी में आप स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी पहली नौकरी, वो कंपनी आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. और वो कंपनी अगर आपके कैंपस में, एंड दिस आई एम टॉकिंग एज अ प्लेसमेंट पर्सन हु लुक आफ्टर प्लेसमेंट्स, जो आप, और ये कहा कि समर इंटर्नशिप 3 महीने बाद इनकी होगी, कंपनी आना शुरू करेगी. समर इंटर्नशिप के वक्त जो है कंपनी जो है वो आपको देखिए कि आपने ग्रेजुएशन कहाँ से किया है, और अगर आपके अप्स एंड डाउन्स आपके एकेडमिक करियर में आपके रीजंस क्या रहे हैं. तीसरा, वो आई है अगस्त सितंबर में, उसको पता है कि आपको ज्यादा कुछ ज्ञान नहीं मैनेजमेंट का, कंसेप्ट का ज्ञान है कि नहीं, तो क्लासरूम में प्लीज बी अटेंटिव।
सर आपने बहुत सही बात बोली, मेरा काम इजी कर दिया और सही टाइम बोली। कॉलेज शुरू होगा जून जुलाई में एंड अच्छे स्कूल्स के अंदर सर
सितंबर में आपके समर्स की कंपनी आना शुरू करती
और
है।
आपकी प्लेसमेंट की स्टूडेंट कम्युनिटी की टीम होती है और
हाँ
सीवी फ्रीज कर देते हैं ये लोग।
यस
तो वो विद इन 1 month ऑफ टाइम, तो जो करना है तो पहले 3 महीने में करना है। एंड सर एट IIM अहमदाबाद दीज गाइस रियलाइज लेटर ऑन दोज क्लास टेस्ट वगैरह के जो नंबर होते हैं ना फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर के, दोज आर आल्सो काउंटेड।
यस एवरीथिंग इज काउंटेड,
एवरीथिंग इज काउंटेड। तो कई जगह पे नहीं होती, वो सब देखना है और पढ़ाई करना है।
और उनको ही पता है, जो आते हैं सेलेक्ट करेंगे उनको ही पता है कि आपको नहीं पता है, मगर कम से कम वो सब चीज पता होना चाहिए जो टर्म 1 में आपको आना चाहिए। तो टर्म 1 में क्या पढ़ाते हैं वो सबको पता है।
सर तीसरा सर मेरे लिए एक एडवाइस है तो सर,
हाँ
मतलब इनके लिए मेरी तरफ से सर हाईएस्ट प्लेसमेंट कैसे लेके जाना है। MD गुड़गांव लास्ट ईयर सर 1 करोड़ था।
we have got 70 lakhs this
आप भी
year,
70 लाख
70 lakh this year.
आई नो द दुबई बेस्ड कंपनी
Yes,
है ना,
yes,
बार-बार
yes, yes.
आई नो। सर ये हाईएस्ट प्लेसमेंट कैसे निकालते हैं बच्चे? आपने तो 7 साल वहां देखा है और सर
2 साल यहाँ देखा IMI में।
2 साल IMI में देखा है और हियर आल्सो यू है।
Yes, I was Dean Corporate Relations and Placements.
सो 9 साल दोनों सर IMI टॉप 15 to 15 टॉप 20 इंडिया के बेस्ट कॉलेज
Yes,
थे।
yes.
एक डिकेड के लिए सर वहां पे प्लेसमेंट देखे, बताइए सर।
I think 3-4 चीज की जरूरत है।
जी सर।
कंसेप्चुअली आपको तो होगा ही। सेकेंड, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर मैनेजमेंट इज अ सोशल साइंस। जब हम सोशल साइंस कहते हैं कि आप जो कुछ भी पढ़ते हैं, कैन यू विजुअलाइज इट इन अ कंटेक्स्ट। अब ट्रेड ही आप देख लीजिए, सिंपल ट्रेड है, कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड द, और सिंपल वॉर है, व्हाट आर द इंप्लीकेशंस ऑफ दैट, लेट्स से द वॉर दैट इज हैपनिंग राइट नाउ। कैन यू सी इकोनॉमी इन द लार्जर कंटेक्स्ट, in the larger context of geopolitics, even Indian economy, Fed rates से क्या impact पड़ता है? Can you see all that? Can you picturize, visualize everything? तो एक important चीज है to understand management is a social science and therefore whatever specialization you have, can you integrate the specialization with other functions and other disciplines? Right? So that for me is very important. The second is the number of live projects that you have done. देखिए कई लाइव प्रोजेक्ट प्लेसमेंट के थ्रू आता है, कई बार आपके पास नहीं आया क्योंकि प्लेसमेंट में भी अपने दोस्त होते हैं, उनको पहले खबर पड़ जाती है। ये रियलिटी है सब जगह।
मत बताओ सर ये।
नहीं, ये रियलिटी है। आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट प्लेसमेंट कमिटी एनीवेयर,
ओके।
बट ये रियलिटी है। दोस्त होते हैं भाई, आपके कमरे में हम साथ रह रहे हैं, कोई कंपनी का आता है, यार यहाँ से आया है, तो थोड़ा सा बातचीत हो जाता है। बट देन द रियलिटी इज a very democratic, openly transparent functioning placement committee. That's a reality where everybody gets a fair and equal chance. I'm not saying fair and equal chance means 1-to-1.
Yeah.
Equitable.
Yeah.
All right. But beyond that, what I'm trying to emphasize that सब जगह live projects online होते हैं. Bid for it. Create a good team. Bid for those live projects. जितने ज्यादा live projects होंगे, उतना ही ज्यादा आप मैनेजमेंट इन एक्शन या मैनेजमेंट इन प्रैक्टिस समझ पाएंगे। इसका कोई तोड़ नहीं है, लाइव प्रोजेक्ट तोड़ नहीं। तीसरा, सर्टिफिकेशंस एंड वैल्यू एडेड कोर्सेज, जितना चाहे इकट्ठा कर लो, यही 1 2 साल में जितना वैल्यू एडेड कोर्स कर सकते हो करो। गो बियॉन्ड योर नॉर्मल क्लासेस, गो बियॉन्ड योर नॉर्मल कोर्सेज, गेट सम सर्टिफिकेशन, डेटा एनालिटिक्स पे, मशीन लर्निंग पे, AI पे, गेट सम सर्टिफिकेशन, पाइथन पे, research methods पे, get some certification. That is always going to help you. तो ये 3 चीज बहुत ही जरूरी है। एंड चौथा, कुछ भी कर लो, अगर कम्युनिकेट ना कर पाए तो सब बेकार है। So communication skill is a must everywhere. I will tell you about my classmate at IIM Ahmedabad. He used to, we were in section B. This person was a fantastic IITian, had a problem of stuttering.
Yeah.
अब उसने क्या किया कि अपने ग्रुप में, और हमारे ग्रुप में नहीं था, जिस ग्रुप में था, ही मेड इट क्लियर कि जब भी कभी प्रेजेंटेशन करना होगा मैं ही करूंगा। वो स्टटर करे सब, अभी वो ऑल वेट पेशेंटली, इसका स्टटरिंग खत्म होगा, फिर देन ही इज गोइंग टू स्पीक नॉर्मली। एंड दैट पर्सन reached out to the depth of his personality to take out something that was his inability. That is the amount of work that you have done. You have to do so far your personality and expression is concerned.
This is so amazing, boys and girls. तो पॉइंट नंबर 4 जो था कम्युनिकेट करिए।
And last point, sir.
ओह sorry.
For final placement, summer internship is very important. चाहे कंपनी लाख बकवास हो. I will give one example. I had a girl who came crying to me कि सर हमको ये लोगों ने बिग बाजार में रख दिया है और हमको वहां बेचना पड़ रहा है. हम बोले तुम कब तक वहां पर स्टार्ट करो पढ़ना कि कहां पर माल रखा है, किस लेवल पर रखा है, फ्रंट पर रखा है, पीछे पर रखा है. लुक एट कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर, स्टडी एनालाइज दैट कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर and then give it as a part of your report.
True.
So you can turn a bad summer project into a fantastic learning opportunity.
सो अमेजिंग, थैंक यू सो मच सर। आज तो हमने एक डायरेक्टरशिप का भी ज्ञान लेके आए, अहमदाबाद स्टूडेंट लाइफ से लेके और टुवर्ड्स एंड प्लेसमेंट का भी ज्ञान लिया सर। रियली हम्बल टू हैव यू ऑन, थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you very much. It was a great time with you, and I'm so proud that and privileged that I had this conversation with you.
थैंक यू सो मच। बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, डू इट द लाइक बटन, नीचे कमेंट करके बताइए आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा और व्हाट डिड यू लर्न, और कहाँ पे हो आप इस स्टेज के अंदर। आई सिटिंग टू द प्लेसमेंट्स, और कौन से कॉलेज में बैठे हो, आर इन एफ में, एसएमडी गुड़गांव 4, कुछ लोग एसपीजेन बॉम्बे ज्वाइन करने वाले, या एक इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस के अंदर हो, अपना नीचे मुझे स्टैट्स बताइए और नीचे हम आपके साथ बातचीत करेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच, टेक केयर, हैव अ गुड डे, बाय बाय।